Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hey Wasatch, I'm Richard Heckman, one of your 7th grade reps.
And I'm Mimi Sims, another one of your 7th grade reps.
Attention Wasatch Cross Country. You did amazing at our district finals, and Mr. Peterson will be revealing the results of the race at the cross country pizza party to be held on Tuesday, October 16th in Mr. Peterson's room after school. If you participated in cross country, come on by after school to get some pizza and learn how well Wasatch did this year. We'll make an announcement to the rest of the school on Wednesday. See you there. See you there, cross country, and go Warriors.
8th graders, this Friday is Reality Town. Counselors will meet you Thursday to explain how it all works. We want to remind you of the food drive at Reality Town. If you bring a non-perishable food items, you will receive a discount at Reality Town grocery store. This week, we are working on being accountable in the locker room. Remember to keep it clean and remember to know your locker combo and where you're supposed to be. Use appropriate language and be kind to others.
Okay, the last audition workshop is today at Wasatch from 3 to 4, so don't miss that.
Here's a video from our counselors.
Every day when I wake up, I still can't believe I'm at Harvard. Like every freshman, I get to live in Harvard Yard, and I get to eat breakfast in Annenberg Hall. What's up, you guys? I really enjoy my freshman seminar, The Evolution of Aging. It's just me, 15 other students, and a faculty member. And I get to work directly with my professor on research projects. I'm able to visit any of the other great Harvard schools, like the School of Engineering, or the Kennedy School, where I've heard world leaders speak, or the medical school, which is pretty cool because I'm also training to become an EMT. I want to become a doctor. Every day, I get to hang out with my friends and try something new. Harvard is one university with a million things to explore, and I'm glad I've got the next 3 years to try them all. My name is Anthony, and I'm from Tucker, Georgia.
Have a great day, Wasatch.